Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to put a password on YouTube TV to protect your account and control what others can watch. Step 1. Open YouTube TV settings. Open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com. Click or tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Restrictions. In Settings, find and click on Privacy and Restrictions. This is where you can set up a PIN to restrict access. Step 3. Enable PIN protection. Turn on the option to require PIN for purchases and restricted content. Create a 4-digit PIN code. Confirm the PIN by entering it again. Step 4. Set content restrictions, optional. You can choose to restrict certain content by rating or category. This will require the PIN to access restricted videos or make purchases. Step 5. Test your PIN. Try accessing restricted content or making a purchase to make sure the PIN works. If prompted, enter your PIN to proceed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.